All right, we're here with Jenny and Alex, and they just sold their house and finished closing. So we're going to do a quick question and answer period to see how they liked it. So, can you tell us why you guys decided to sell your house as is?
Well, we bought it as an investment property, and things were moving along well until we found out we were pregnant, and then remodeling came to a screeching halt, and so we basically just wanted to find something that needed less work now that we have a toddler that needs all of our time and attention.
I completely understand. So, why did you guys decide to sell the property to us?
Honestly, I had the best experience with y'all out of any of the investors that we spoke with. Y'all gave us a great price, and we're the best to deal with for sure.
Okay.
Definitely.
How would you guys describe the transaction itself? How was it smooth? Were you satisfied with the transaction?
Very much. Yeah.
Do you have any other things that you guys would like to say?
Oh, I would definitely recommend you guys. It's been on this side, a very seamless process and been very understanding for buyers, and it's taken a lot of time, and y'all have been really patient with us. So it's been a good experience.
All right. Well, thanks again for selling your property to us. And if you ever need anything in the future, let us know. Thank you.